A major fundraising campaign reached its conclusion today here at the St. Catharines General Hospital. The campaign's $2.5 million goal to purchase urgently needed endoscopy equipment was met today.
Everybody benefits, and we thank everybody in the community. And I found that the people in Niagara are very generous, and when there's a cause, they come out to support us.
I think they need to know that the government isn't really pitching in on things like this, is it?
No, the government, the government has the four walls, and they provide staffing, and it's up to the individual foundations to raise that money for the equipment needs for the hospital. So it's very important that the community support the hospitals, because that's where the funding will come to get this state-of-the-art equipment. And we have a lot of people in Niagara, and we want to provide the best health care possible. So the hospital's a worthy cause.
One Foundation used the opportunity to thank everyone who donated to the campaign, including TD Bank, who got to see the impact their contribution made.
At TD, we love to give back, and it's nice to actually come and see where the money actually ends up. So this is one of our most enjoyable things that we get to do. Going to work every day, when we get to include this and come out and see where the money and how we make a difference in the community, this is truly what inspires us to give back at TD.
And how did it come about that the money was spent on an endoscope?
Well, the hospital, it did approach TD to see if we were able to help with this donation to help the endoscopic equipment be purchased. So they did approach TD. We've had a long relationship with the hospital since 2007. So it was just a continued part of our continued contributions back to the hospital.
TD has been a major supporter of the hospital for the last 25 years, and their contribution to healthcare in the region has been fantastic, and we continue to have that partnership with them. So we appreciate the support that they've given us, and they have their own internal fundraising campaign to support our various needs. So we're happy to be partners with them.
The NHS estimates they perform over 16,000 endoscopy procedures every year. This new equipment ensures that patients receive the best in care.
It's been a significant journey for us here, raising the funds for endoscopy and to really be able to provide the very best that we can in terms of equipment purchases, and recognizing that the hard work of individuals in our community, for every dollar that they give, it's just so darn important to us, and really wanting to convey our deep gratitude for everything that's given to us, and that we make good decisions about how we spend it on equipment used for patient care.
And why would you say this was a good decision?
This was a good decision because it brings us the very best to the people in Niagara in terms of endoscopy, so that we can make sure that people are getting early screening, good treatment, early diagnosis, and better outcomes when it comes to the kinds of tragedies that people can have from not having it done.
The work of One Foundation never ends. Their focus now will be on their Springtime in Paris Gala, which will contribute to improving healthcare here in Niagara. For The Source, I'm Brenda Schultz.